Hey Stockhouse, it's a new year and it's time for markets in motion. I thought it would be worthwhile to talk about our top down and really look at, where things shake down from that perspective. So this is our top down dashboard. We've got a couple of different indicators or a few different indicators on here, short term, intermediate term, long term, and our early warning indicator. As you can see from this, the short term, really, there's lots of noise. We try not to focus too much on that. We look at intermediate and long term, and then the early warning indicator. You can see here, short term, there's a little bit of red, but not too much. Intermediate term, it's all green, long term, all green, and the early warning, which is usually like a 3 to 6 month indicator, is also all green, which is great. So let's shift over and look at sectors and talk specifically about the TSX to start with. And this is looking at the TSX relative to the sectors themselves. So the sector versus the TSX. So if the sector is stronger than the TSX, it has this green plus sign. If it's not, it has the red negative sign. And so you can see here, cyclicals, financials, materials shouldn't come as too much of a surprise. I mean, we've seen this really strong move in the materials through most of last year, and also we've seen financials really strong as well off the back of the earnings. You can see here what sectors are weaker than the TSX. Well, real estate, that just has not been strong at all. Communications is a small sector. Energy is still negative, but it's starting to improve. Industrial is the same thing, negative, but starting to improve. Technology, really, that's only Shopify and Celestica. There's some smaller other technology companies in Canada that haven't really performed very well considering what we've seen with the US technology. And then staples, healthcare, and utilities are all negative as well. Switching gears, looking at the US, you can see there, it's a little bit more of a mixed picture. We see financial strong, which is not surprising. Communication, which is, really there's an overlap there with technology. Technology is strong and healthcare is strong as well. The thing that we're kind of watching is this industrials because it looks like that is starting to improve. If you look at a lot of the trucking sectors and some of the other areas, that's really starting to improve. Cyclicals as well, we're going to keep our eye on that. We're starting to see some different discretionary stocks starting to move and improve here. And so it wouldn't be surprising if we saw that click over in the next few months. This is looking at our early warning indicator. You can see here, this is for the TSX to start with. You can see here that, it's all positive, lots of room there. If we look at the U.S. and the S&P, slightly different. I mean, it started to peel back here a little bit. I suspect that's probably been with the check back in technology and the fact that the index themselves have sort of gone sideways and really haven't hit any new highs. And a tool that we use in our firm is something called the relative rotation graph. How these work is stocks or indices tend to go around this in a clockwise fashion. So the improving quadrant, the leading quadrant, the weakening quadrant, and the lagging quadrant. And what we're seeing right now is we're actually seeing several companies that are in our holdings that are starting to improve from the weakening quadrant, heading towards that leading quadrant. That's always really interesting to see when something has been declining a little bit in momentum and then it starts to pick up. So that's something that you'll want to watch with your own portfolio is what is leading and also what is starting to improve from a momentum perspective. If you want to follow along, probably the best place to follow me is LinkedIn. I post a lot there on markets and investing. And then as well, if you sign up on our website, you'll get up to the date updates on what we're doing, especially with our signals and stocks, which is really talking about our top down, what I mentioned here. Have a great day, everyone, and good luck out there investing.